Shinobi's latest news and developments. Today I will be doing a tutorial video on how you can participate in the luck of the draw. Welcome back. Moneybags Rico here, bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said, out the way, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and make sure that bell notification is lit. Like that, you do not miss out on any future content. Now, I'm going to show you guys how you guys can participate in this luck of the draw, where they do 2 winners twice a week on Tuesdays and Fridays. You're also not going to want to miss out for our AMA today on Twitter Spaces at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Something to keep in mind. Now I'm going to show you what you're prompted to if you would go to luckdraw.io. So that's the name of the website to participate in Shinobi's, basically a lottery from Shinobi and partnered with Yield Protocol. Okay, so right here, if we go to this website, we see the biggest crypto lottery. Welcome to Luck Draw. Time is gold. Rules are simple. The entry fees are 0.01 BNB per ticket. A button press could change your life. A draw happens twice a week, Tuesdays and Fridays. Are you up for the challenge? So simply we would go, shout out to Cliff. This was an epic video too, Cliff. You knocked it out the park on this one. So let's go ahead and join the lottery now. You got obviously hit buy your tickets or join the lottery. I'm just going to hit join the lottery. That's how I did it before. Now we can see that we got 1.46 BNB is the prize so far. We got 7 hours left, so we're not going to want to miss out on this. I'm going to show you how to get this referral code. The referral code I'm going to have it down in my description or in the pinned comments down below. I want to say, since I know I have a lot more access to a lot of community members, that referral code, if my referral code happens to win, if we use this referral code, I will be putting that BNB right back into Shinobi's ecosystem, okay? In forms of either doing it in Shinobi Learn, some type of giveaways, giving it to Shinobi Learn and letting those community members figure out what they want to do with that BNB, or just doing simply some giveaways on some Twitter Spaces that I could host for us. So just keep that in mind if you guys want to, but I'm going to show you how to get your own referral code. I'll have mine down below where we can participate together and keep that BNB circulating within our ecosystem. Because if I win, most definitely it's going to stay within the Shinobi ecosystem. And like that, it should circulate within our ecosystem a few times before it exits anywhere else. So what we're going to do is hit Wallet Connect, right? I'm using Trust Wallet. You will go down to your settings, hit Wallet Connect, new connection, and of course your camera will be prompted on your phone. We'll hit Wallet Connect up here. I'll be using Wallet Connect. This new website that they revamped, this works a lot easier. Everything's working perfect. I know down here they got Trust Wallet. I simply like to use Wallet Connect, so I'll just scan that QR code, right? Hit Connect. This is working a lot better than before. I like how smooth it is. I like the new clean website. It's very easy, very understandable. We're going to also break this down before we buy some tickets, before we let everybody participate. We got 60% to the game pool. 35% is put in the next game each time. 25% goes to the winner. 8% to yield. 8% to yield. 4% buyback and burn. 4% marketing and development. 8% to Shinja. 4% buyback and burn. 4% marketing and development. 7% to the top 3 communities with the highest number of votes. So make sure, and I'm going to show you how to vote right now. Split 50, 30, 20. 4% to the biggest buyer. Okay, so the biggest buyer can participate in this as well. We got 10% going to charity, and this is something that's huge right here. We know what we did with our brother Umar over there in Africa, so that is epic. Shout out to my brother Umar and our Shinobi family that's over there in Africa. All right, we got 3% going back to the referrers. Okay, so that's that 3% that we'll be using if we win, or if somebody else wins, they could do whatever they want with it because it's theirs. Okay, so now simply I'm already connected. We'll click our amount of tokens that we want to buy, right? We know that the tickets are 0.01 BNB. We're going to come down here. I want to support Shinobi, right? And we can see the list is already growing. So we got Yo token, Piccolo, Streamer Inu, PLNT Max, and Yeti coin. So this is pretty cool. You can go ahead and vote for your token and participate in this. So we're going to go ahead and pick. You can also pick not only in tickets or BNB. So I'm going to put in BNB just to make it a little bit easier for me. And I'm going to go ahead and do 0.1 BNB because we can see current biggest buy is 0.04. Only 12 bucks. Current biggest buy. We got the last biggest buyer winner was $17 and he was the biggest buyer. And the last lottery winner was $521. I would like to keep circulating that $521 within our ecosystem in forms of giveaways. So I'm going to have that referral code down for us down below. So now we're going to hit enter the lottery. I'm supporting Shinobi. It's a token. I hit that. I got prompted a message on my phone to confirm. I've confirmed the transaction. And then congratulations. There we go. So now I'm in the lottery. One thing that I want to say, because I did do a test, notice how right now it's not letting me get this copy referral code. So that's why you guys got to hit that bell notification, be subscribed to the channel, because I'm always doing these little tests for you guys, okay? We're going to disconnect our wallet, and then we're going to reconnect our wallet the same way that we connected it. Scan the QR code, connect once again, and now copy that referral code, okay? Like always, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, leave some bullish comments down below, and make sure that bell notification is lit, and continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. I'll have that referral code down below. Let's keep the money in our circle, and let's continue to grow. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.